Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I've got some, I don't know, hauls to share for you, vacation hauls to share with you. And yeah, this is what I picked up while I was in Texas, Central Texas. We went down there to kind of scope out the area as to what kind of neighborhoods are in that central area. We did not decide on a house, but we're kind of narrowing down what location we want to be in. So let's get started. First of all, husband took me to Starbucks. We got a breakfast and some what is it called? Girl, I cannot think. Breakfast and coffee. And of course I had to pick up the little Texas mug. Oh my gosh, I walked in there and I was fully prepared just to get coffee. But I saw this. Look at this beautiful mug. I love it. It's blue on the inside. And if you don't know, in Texas, they have the blue bonnets come springing out everywhere, even on the side of the highway. And you'll see a bunch of people, you know, running out or out in those locations and what is it called? Taking pictures, photo ops with the blue bonnets. And I'm surprised they didn't have it on here. It's not the state flower. I don't think so. I don't think it is. But yeah, I picked up this mug, of course. It's actually $17.95. I don't know. I'm thinking the price went down because it was like 20 something dollars when I picked it up. So yeah, anyway, that is my Starbucks haul. And come to find out, in the Harker Heights, Killeen area is where we went driving around. Kind of wanted to go check out our old neighborhood and stuff like that. They have an Ollie's. Ollie's bag of good stuff, cheap. Oh my God. You guys, I was hoping to find a bunch of Joann's paper products and stuff like that. To my demise, no. I asked one of the workers there and they're like, yeah, a lot of that got wiped out as soon as they brought it in. And so what I have here is the bare minimum. And what I could pick multiples up, I did. I picked up these 3 packs of, I don't even know what these are, dot stickers. And I don't know what they're for. Heidi Swap. But I saw it and I was like, let me just grab it and see, you know, just see what we could do with it. But you get all of these. Oh, photo corners. I don't know what this style is for. And we've got little triangles. I guess this is for journaling. The colors were interesting. You know, whatever. I picked that up. I did pick up a pack of these music notes. Stickos. Guys, I believe these were $1. I think so. I had a receipt, but I don't know where it went. It's probably in my purse. I did pick up 3 packs of the Sticko again with the beach theme. I'm in love with the beach, so yeah. I did have one of these. I don't know. And then of course I grabbed a pack of donuts, and that was it. That's all that I picked up as far as fun stuff. And this one was a stencil, and look at the price. It's $1. Originally $4.99, I think, the Ollie price. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's a stencil. That's what I got. I did pick up this notebook because I wanted to take some notes, but I didn't even do that. This is $2.32 for just a regular recycled notebook. And I thought it was a fun pattern. Look at that. And it's super thick. And you get 2. So one on that side, one on this side, except you got that bull crap on there. And then it's just a regular notebook. It's a dotted line notebook. Seriously. So, oh yeah, I did play with it because I was bored in the hotel, you know, going to bed, trying to go to sleep. So I did a doodle with pens, not markers. I only had a multicolor pen, one of those click pens from Dollar Tree. So yeah, and then I picked this up. It was the Rand McNally Atlas, Road Atlas. They wanted $9.99. So originally 25 bucks. So I don't know. It was just something nostalgic. And if anything, I would cut it up and use it with my journal adventures or whatever. But yeah, that is what I got in Ollie's. And then the last place my husband took me to, because it was right across the street from our hotel, took me to Daiso. Daiso, everything is no longer $1.50. It's now $2.25. I did pick up a few items that were $2, but that was just a snack, and I couldn't even believe that they were $2. I don't have the snack here because I ate it. And as you can see, I did grab some of the pouches that I could find at that Daiso. It was just so overwhelming. It was a clean, pretty, full Daiso store. And so, yeah, I picked up the pouch. They didn't have any pretty colors. I saw white and black and gray. So I grabbed the white. And does that fit my notebook? Nope, too big for my notebook, but you know where we're going with this, because this size it's in Japanese, so I don't know. It is, let's see, 13 by, let's see, 9. 13 by 9 inches. But this one has a double pouch, which is so cool. Yes, please. And actually, let me see. What am I doing? Blah, 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 blah. It's inside out. Upside out and backwards. Let me see if it fits the, oh, it almost fits. Damn it. It just like just sticks out just a little bit, but I don't think that would bother me. Would it bother me? Like, what? That's cool, because you could get this at Five Below. You know, these are cute notebooks. This one, though, I got at Walmart. I picked this up at Walmart a while ago. Such a cute little notebook. I haven't used it yet. I don't know. I have an unhealthy infatuation with notebooks. So I got the white. Now the black is a single pouch. That's not bad. Let's see if it fits. It looks like the same size, and it is. It's the same size, but it's not bad, right? I don't think so. I would grab these little notebooks, make a fun little pouch. Why not? Why not? And fill them up with some goodies. A4 size. That's what this one is. Look, there's the example. Got the little notebook. It's already showing you what you can do with this little pouch. So I picked up these two large pouches to play with. I found this coloring book. Isn't that cute? I love the paper quality. And, you know, it's a Japanese book, so this is the front of the book. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. The paper quality, nice. So I was thinking I would take these and add them to the journal. Look at Donald and Daisy. Look at his face. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, I would definitely put these in some journals. So it's just a simple staple, really nice quality. I would definitely put that in some journals. I found this fun little self-adhesive pocket, and I was trying to see if they had different sizes. I didn't find any. This was the only size that I found. And it's one of those, you know, quarter circle size. It's a corner. Oh, come on now. Come on now. And I don't want to buy too many. I should have, though, because look, there's only 3. And I should have looked at that. Darn. And then there's the adhesives for the pocket. So you want to use the pocket like that. And yeah, I think I would cut these down the lines and turn them into 2 pockets, because you have this little margin here, and I could use double stick tape on that. I would cut this off and just put the double stick tape on that and just put it in onto my notebook and just use one of it at a time. I think that is a better way. So you get 6 pockets out of 3 instead of just 3. So yeah, that's a nice little find, and it has its own adhesive, so figure that out, right? I mean, and this again was $2.50. Used to be $1.50. Everything's going up. So yeah, I got that. I found these little ones. This is an A5, and I think, let me see. Yeah, look at that. This is a Dollar Tree notebook. Dollar Tree notebook, and you can take that. Let's put the zipper in the back, and that just fits in there nice. You got little hook right there. I would still use an elastic and put it right there. Very cute. I'm excited with that. This one is an A6, and this is a double pocket. So, and I don't know, it's kind of flared out, you know, it's not fully straight. You can see it's kind of at an angle. So I would like to do a little mini one with that, make my own little notebook. You know what I'm saying? It's cute. It's a nice little size. I also picked up these little strings. I don't know. I thought they were elastic. They're not. Now that I'm looking at it. And mind you, my husband did not come in with me to Daiso. He literally drove me there and sat in the car. I could have stayed in the car, in the store forever, but I was hungry and tired. So I just was grabbing what I could. So it's just a little string. I don't know why I did that. I opened it and didn't pull one out. For binding, you can use this to bind your little notebooks. Like that. You know what I'm saying? Now it's not elastic. It is a string, like a shoelace type. But we could deal with that. Poke your hole and use this for your closure. I think that would still be cute. Just tie a little knot in the front. I think that would be cute still. Why not? You know, so cute. Then you have this one. You could do that too. I was looking for elastic. I guess I should have slowed down a little bit. Oh, that will fit too. And I like that it's capped at the end with that plastic cap, like your shoelace. So, like that, and it fits. Very cute. So, let me put my little notebook away because we are not using the notebook. Just nice to know that it fits, right? Okay, so I got that. I did grab some random stickers. They were, you know, I could have gone crazy, but because the prices went up, they're $2.50. I didn't want to grab too much. So I got a pack of Hello Kitty, just one. I got one Kuromi, just one. I got Donald Duck and Daisy. I love this. I should have grabbed 2 on this one. I did grab Mickey and Donald. How cute. They're so cool. And with these things at Daiso, and another thing is you just get one sheet. I was looking at them and I was like, you know, I can go to Five Below. I did pick up Winnie the Pooh. And again, it's just one sheet. You're not getting multiples. So that's the sad part. $2.50 for one sheet of stickers. Not good. This one also. Very cute. Astronaut Mickey. But yeah. So that is all the things that I picked up at Daiso. And at Ollie, I was kind of disappointed. But again, because I don't live there. Also, you could, if you have an Ollie near you, there's a membership. You guys, there's a membership. And you'll get discount, whatever, you know, you get a discount. So this is everything I got that I picked up. Ollie's and Daiso. I asked him to take me to Hobby Lobby, but he goes, is Hobby Lobby gone where we live? I was like, no, but I want to go, you know. And he's like, no, we're not going there. So there is that. We were tired. So this is everything I got from my trip in Texas. And yeah, if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and I'll see you all next time. Bye.